Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to set up an indoor hydroponic smart garden system. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruit, or herbs, it could done all year long with one of these systems. This is from Ahopegrden. This is 8 pods, mean it will hold 8 plants. So I'm going to show you step by step real quick. If you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more upcoming videos, and check in the description box if you want to get your hand on this with a special discount code for you guys. This is how you set up for most hydroponics garden system. Real quick, we're gonna check inside. You have the manual. They have all the instructions step by step how to do it. This here is the white color. They do come with a black color too. So this is perfect for a small indoor garden. If you have small space, if you're living in an apartment or a small home, this is perfect. And this right here does expand like this as the plant is growing. Then I will suggest you guys to expand it up. It tells you right here the water level, so you want to make sure you keep your water level high. When you open it up right here, all the systems are like this. You just remove this top part and then you find every single thing. So it comes with 8 sponge. It comes with 8 of the baskets, and then it comes with name tags and a lot of other stuff. Comes with the adapter and stuff like that. We're gonna open up to show you real quick. So it comes with the plug right here, long enough so you could plug it in wherever. And it comes with the fertilizer. So if you're wondering how you add fertilizer, it's liquid fertilizer. I'm gonna show you exactly what you do. And it's easy. So it tells you right here plant A and plant B food. And what do? You open this up like that right there. You fill it up with water all the way to the, I would say all the way up to here. You close it back and then mix it really well, shake it up really well. And then right here, this cap right here, it tells you the liter and stuff right here. I would normally fill it up to 15 all the way to the top and then pour it inside, which I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So you have the power button, you have the pump, which is for the water. Will mix the water. That's the pump right there. Right there, that's the pump that will mix the water, also like mixing the fertilizer, so it keeps the water nice and a little clean. And you could tap the vegetable if you're growing vegetable, or fruit and flower, so you do have optional. And this thing is not expensive, it's cheap. You do not need a green thumb, or you do not need no experience. Easily done right here. We have the baskets which the sponge goes in, and these are the sponge. Just get a bowl of water. You're normally supposed to be soaking these overnight, but I don't. I just soak these and leave them in here for about 15 minutes. Make sure they're damp all over there, because I'm going to show you a little trick what I do to get this seed started really fast. And in here, I'm telling you, beside the seeds, you got every single thing you need, from labeling your plants to covering some of them. You don't have to use all the holes to plant stuff. You could just cover whichever one you don't. This is the dome. I'm going to show you how to use all these. And this is a tweezer if you want to pull out anything or stuff. So you could see we add water all the way up to the max right there. And the next thing, add our fertilizer. We're going to do one each from A and B. Now, when we plug that in and the pump goes on, it will mix the fertilizer, so it's going to be even all over. We got our sponge here. So next up, what we're going to do, we're going to cover this back up. And then you take your baskets, and we're going to be placing the baskets all in the holes. It's really easy, simple. You could get the kids and let them help you. It's fun. They love it. And you know, it could be a family stuff to do. And this right here is where you add more of your water or fertilizer. You could add fertilizer every 2 weeks or as stuff. Normally you don't need to add fertilizer now. You could add when the seeds start germinate, but I just, you know, like to add it there for now so I don't forget. But you could wait after you see the seed germinate. So next thing we're gonna do, the sponge already, so just pop it in right there. You could soak the sponge overnight. I really never did. So with the seed, you could add 1, but I suggest to add 2 to 3 just in case it does not germinate. And what you could do is add it directly into the hole of the sponge right there. So we're gonna go ahead and add our seed right through. You could label them. You could use these labels, but I'm only doing lettuce, so I don't need to label that. As we're adding our seeds and you didn't get it, it didn't fall in the hole, use the tweezer that they send you and gently just put it right in there. All right, so all the seeds are in. Get yourself a spray bottle and just spray the top like that. That's gonna be activating the growing process and making it germinate a lot faster. Trust me, germinate really, really fast this way. So next thing we're gonna do, cover all of them to get more heat. Use these dome, pretty good. As soon as the stuff starts sprouting, I do recommend to remove the dome because you want to get good airflow and you do not want your plant to get stuck. I set it up in the corner here. I just plugged it in and we come on the top right now. We're going to press the power button. Oh, look at that. See the light? Pretty good light. It's bright enough. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop this lower, put it low, so we get good light, good heat. And within another couple days, I will show you guys an update video how stuff is germinated really fast and how they're growing. Well, you see I got another one over here. These are lettuce already. I have pak choi growing right indoor. I have to harvest. I have the tomato plant right here, and I have kale and stuff. Whatever you want, a pepper plant, whatever you want to plant here, you could plant. Look at this beautiful pak choi. Look at this. Look. Why aren't you guys growing in a smart system? Eat fresh vegetables right indoor. So that's how easy it is to set up a hydroponics garden system indoor. Most of the system, that's the same way you're going to set it up, just like this. So follow these steps. And a hydroponics garden system is great for, especially you don't have a backyard, you don't have a front yard, it's winter time, and you have a small apartment maybe or a small home. This is perfect. It's small, it fits anywhere in the corner, and you just plug it in. Normally leave it on between 8 to 10 hours, and I leave it on in the nighttime, and I use it for a night light. So it comes in pretty handy. And it's winter time in Long Island, New York, so we cannot grow anything outside, and I still want to get fresh lettuce. So right here, this is how we could get fresh lettuce. You just buy a pack of seed. What is it? $2.99 for a pack of seed, and you're gonna harvest throughout the whole winter, summer, whatever you want. So you save a lot of money this way. You save a lot of money. You know what you're eating. You're growing what you're eating, and it's fun and you could do it as a family. You do it as a family, and the kids love this. This is an amazing project to do as a family. It's healthy and it's fresh fruit, lettuce, or even flowers, whatever you guys want. So how can you go wrong, right? Check in the description box below for price and details and my discount code for you guys. And if you're new, welcome to Green Tea Garden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. Check out my playlist for more tips and tricks and garden videos. And I can't wait for springtime to come. We're going to have a lot of growing and big changes to Green Tea Garden coming up. And happy holidays, happy New Year's to you and your family. I'll see you guys next time.